I've told you all how much I love this stitch. It's the front post, back post double crochet, and I have a previous video to show you how to do it. But this one is like a rib, a crochet rib, if you want to say that. And it is the front post, back post double crochet, or in this case I'll do a half double crochet. But it is like a stretchy rib, and it can be done in so much things. You can do it at the top of a arm warmers, you could do it socks, headbands. You could actually do a headband in all that. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do one. This is just a baby hat. I think I did 60 stitches, and that's what it came down to, but I started at the top with 10 and just keep increasing, and then I put these little cute bubbles into it. But I just want to show you how to do it. So before starting it, you do a single crochet, and that's what I did. I row a single crochet in my next color, and then I chain 2 up. So after doing a row of crochet, you do 2 chains, 1, 2, and then you go around. So the first one is a front post, so you go from back to front and you come up and you do a half double crochet, which you pull through all stitches over, and then this next one you go from back to back and you pull up. That's the second stitch, and you just keep doing this around. So a front post, I think I'm going slow enough, then a back post, you can rewind it and recheck it, then a front post, then a back post, then a front post from front to back. You actually go around the stitch that you made. So the single crochet you made, which is this, you go around it. See, for this one I'm going, this is a back one, and the front one is like that, right? And then a back one, make sure you take off all the stitches because we're doing a half double crochet. You can also do a double crochet. Just for this baby's hat, I prefer to do a half double crochet front post, back post, but there's so much stitches in crochet that you can play with and make your own designs, and I love doing that. I love the rib stitch on a whole, and I love to try to do rib in all different types of ways, but I find this ribbed front post, back post, half double crochet is an amazing thing to do. I'm gonna show you in a minute what it looks like. It just makes the hat so beautiful, and the edging. I'm not gonna do more than one round, but if you wanted to do more, you could continue and add it on. But if you can see, this is what it'll look like, and it has like a stretch. See, this is. Thanks for visiting me. Thanks for coming to my studio and checking me demonstrating how to do a front post, back post, half double crochet at the rib, as the rib of a hat. You can do this on any size hat you choose. As I said, for this one it's 60 rows around. It would fit probably a maybe a 9-month to 2-year-old, so 9 months to 24 months. And it's just to demonstrate the front post, back post, half double crochet. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.